Kate from Wild Tales of. If you're new, welcome. Here on YouTube and on my blog, wildtalesof.com, I share about family, travel, and outdoor adventure. So for today's adventure, we are actually on a bike ride. Today is Mother's Day, so I hope whatever you might have been up to on Mother's Day, you had a great day. We are really enjoying today. It's kind of that perfect biking weather where it's not too hot and not too cold, and of course it's not raining. Last year we went on a huge bike ride over to Bainbridge Island here in just across the water from Seattle, and it was really hot, much different day. I think it was in the mid 80s that day. I will link that video right here so you can take a look. And we definitely bit off more than we could chew with that ride. And we took a route called the Chilly Hilly, and it was not chilly, but it was very, very hilly. Anyway, so today's bike ride, we are just across the water from Seattle in Medina and close to Bellevue. So what we did was from our house, we took the 520 floating bridge and we rode that across with our bikes. We stopped for coffee at a little place called Queen Bee. And then we kind of just making our way through Clyde Hill area and Medina. We're here at the Medina Beach Park, and the kids are just kind of doing some experimenting back here with rocks, and we're just enjoying the peacefulness. So we'd love to hear what you guys might have been up to for Mother's Day. Make sure to leave us a comment below and tell us what adventures you might have gotten into. We'd love to hear what other families were up to. I'll show you what Bergen's doing over here. Okay.
Well, this, we're gonna see how much rocks we can put on, and then Georgia
like balancing it?
Yeah. And then
so how are you gonna put the board?
Well, we're just gonna like put it in.
Oh, I see. You're gonna try put as many rocks as you can on the board to see if it will still float in the water?
Yep.
Is that the goal? Oh, that's
but
cool.
But these are really small rocks.
Well, we don't want to put big rocks.
Only this one's the big one. So
okay.
That one's
all right. When are you gonna start?
After I get one more load of rocks.
Oh, okay.
7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21.
Ah.
Well, maybe I
see how many more Bergen brings. So this is Lake Washington, if you're not familiar with the Seattle area, and you can see part of downtown Seattle right here peeking through. See the Columbia Tower.
There's actually 20.
Oh. And then down here's the bridge. You can barely kind of see in the distance. That's the 520 bridge that we went across.
There we go. Kendra, can you get out of the way?
Oh, it's turning out to be harder than Bergen thought. to be
just
able
dump all
to
the
place the rocks. I say you try to just put them on there. You want to just try to...
Oh yeah, we could put it on here and then drop it.
Yeah.
Yeah, but I don't know how to get it.
Georgia says there's about 20.
About 20?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah,
But now
like
he added more.
He did add more. Maybe there's about 25.
let's see.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7,
Whoops.
8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24.
Oh, 24, I was close.
Okay.
Okay.
I think we should lift it in a smaller spot.
Okay.
I know where we can do it.
There you go.
Ooh. Okay.
Oh.
I knew it would float.
It's floating.
Oh, I know.
Let's see.
If we put that big rock, no, it won't float. Oh.
Oh.
Ah.
I think it did. I think you were right. It did float. Nice. Get your helmet. Back on the bikes. Watch out for the goose poop. Okay, run up to Dad. I'm gonna get my helmet. Go, go, go. Well, we are actually back from our bike ride. Didn't record anything past being there at the beach because we were in a big hurry to get back for the Seattle Sounders game, because it wasn't just any Seattle Sounders game, it was our big rivalry game against the Portland Timbers down in Portland. But thanks so much for watching. Thanks so much for joining us. It's a quick video, but we hope you enjoyed our little tour across Lake Washington and over to the other side. And here is a quick peek at, since we're speaking of Mother's Day, here's a quick peek at what I got for Mother's Day, because it's pretty darn cool. Here it is. This is a really, really neat planter called a GreenStalk. Can't really see because of the picture, but here's what it looks like when they're all set up. And there's all these little compartments to grow things, and it's just like a vertical garden system. Really neat, and definitely stay tuned because, of course, I'm going to be doing some videos on planting it in here and growing things in here, so I'm really excited. So thanks for watching. Hope you had a really happy Mother's Day. And if you liked our video, make sure to give us a thumbs up, and we'd love for you to subscribe so you can join us for lots more adventures in the garden, adventures bike riding, hiking, getting outdoors, all the things to encourage families to get outside and enjoy nature together. So we hope you are staying happy and healthy, and we hope you are getting out and having some brave, wild adventures. And
we'll see you next time. Here's the tomato.